क्लास 12 हमने आपको बताया था कि लिमिट कैसे ज्ञात करते हैं, उसमें थोड़ा सा और है, आगे देख लीजिए। क्या करते हैं, हमने आपको बताया था कि जब आप ग्राफ खींचते हो तो वो हमें लगातार प्राप्त होता है इस तरीके से, किसी भी तरीके से, जरूरी नहीं कि आपका ऐसे ही आए, इस तरीके से भी आ सकता है सीधा। ये आपका पैराबोला वाला भी बनता है, आप जानते हैं पैराबोला, हाइपरबोला, पैराबोला, लेकिन वो कंटिन्यू आता है, लगातार आता है, कहीं भी बीच में टूटता नहीं है। जब वो कहीं पे टूटता नहीं है तब वो आपका फंक्शन जो होता है वो सतत कहलाता है। यहाँ पे हम आपको थोड़े से क्वेश्चन और बता रहे हैं, देखिए। जैसे हमने आपको दे दिया 1 माइनस cos 4x अपॉन x एट x इक्वल टू 0, x इक्वल टू 0। तो हम क्या करेंगे, सबसे पहले LHS निकालेंगे, RHS निकालेंगे, फिर हम फंक्शन देखेंगे कि हमारा इक्वल है कि नहीं। जब इक्वल नहीं होगा तो आगे हम सॉल्व करेंगे। तो सबसे पहले हम LHS निकालते हैं। ये कोई जरूरी नहीं कि आप LHS पहले निकालेंगे RHS, वो आपके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है कि आप क्या निकालते हो। तो हमने निकाला LHS।
एक्सक्यूज
सॉल्व
मी
करेंगे पहले, लिमिट
मैम,
x टेंड्स टू 0, दिस इज गिवन बाय 0, ये 0 दिया हुआ है, और x टेंड्स टू 0 हम लेंगे, क्यों
मैम
ये आपका क्या नहीं आई हमारी समझ, आप क्या कर, क्या बताइए, क्या पूछा बेटा।
मैम अभी आप डिफरेंशिएशन करा रही थी, अभी आप लिमिट कराने लगी।
ऐसा, अच्छा, वही आप पहली वाले बच्चे जुड़े हो क्या? अच्छा ठीक है, तो फिर हम पहली वाले जुड़े हैं तो हम डिफरेंशिएशन ही बता दे रहे, कोई बात नहीं है, वही समझा दे रहे। आप पहली वाले जुड़े हैं, हमने देखा नहीं था, ठीक है, तो हम पहली वाले बता दे रहे, डिफरेंशिएशन ही बता रहे, कोई बात नहीं। हमने सोचा कि क्लास बदल गई, चलिए, तो हम फिर वही बता रहे। तो अभी हम आपको बता रहे थे, क्या बता रहे थे, साइन स्क्वायर एक्स एंड साइन एक्स स्क्वायर, व्हाट इज डिफरेंस बिटवीन दिस टू फंक्शन, sin x into sin x, okay, here is sin x into x, this is theta square and this is sin square, so there are difference, some, what is difference between differentiation in between, d sin square x upon dx. Now we support that with sin x equal to t, sin x equal to t, we differentiate cos x dt upon dx. Why? Because we find out the value of dx. So dx equal to dt upon cos x, dt upon cos x. Now we put it here t square. Why? Because we write here this type. So t square upon dt upon cos x. This cos x are constant for this value. So be multiplying here cos x d t square upon dt. We know that what is the difference between differentiation, cos x into 2t. T square differentiation 2t. This formula we use dxn upon dt. Here we use t, so here is use also t, and t n minus 1. Now we put value cos x into 2 sin value sin x. Here we write, okay, sin value. So there is 2 sin x and cos x. This is final answer. If any student write here sin 2x, this is also right, but anybody write here 2 sin x into cos x. If I ask you find the differentiation, here is questions are complete. This is not necessary you write sin 2x. But any student write here, this is the answer also correct. So there is the use 2 sin x into cos x. Okay. Now we use sin x square. Sin x square. Here theta square, that means we suppose that x is equal to t. X square equal to t. Now we differentiate. There is 2x. There is dt upon dx. Now we find the value dt upon 2x. We write here d sin t upon dt upon 2x. Here is 2x as I use constant value. So I write here 2x sin t upon dt. Now we differentiate sin t cos t. Differentiation cos t. We write value of t 2x cos x. This is answer. So what is the difference between two differentiation? Here is a b. Answer is 2 sin x into cos x. Here is 2x cos square x. Now I explain alternate method also. If we use sin square x. Okay, I think here is no sin. Here is, I write here sin square x. We suppose that sin x as a t. Sin x as a t, otherwise sin x as a x. So we know that if b is denoted by this x square, differentiation are 2x. So I write here 2x. X is sin x. But we suppose that sin x as a x. So we use b sin x upon dx. We write here sin x and cos x. This question, this is answer is same, but this is alternate method. Here we write, here we only suppose that. Here is also d. We suppose that x square as a x. So we know that differentiation of sin x equal to cos x. Cos x. X and x square. Differentiation of, we suppose that x square. So we write as cos x square and 2x. So answer is 2x cos square x. This is a alternate method and this is a lengthy process. I think everybody understood how we find the differentiation. Sin x, sin 2x, cos x, many ratios. Now, I explain. If I write sin x, function are this type. So first we write here sin x whole power. Now we suppose that sin x differentiation with respect to x, sin x. Let sin x equal to t cos x dt upon dx, dx value dt upon cos x, dt upon cos x. Now put here d to the power half dt upon cos x. There is a cos x is a constant value, so I write here cos x. Now b differentiate cos x into half t minus 1. So here is cos x into half t minus half. Here we write cos x into half root t. Why root t? Here is a minus half. So we use here is, and this is a root t. Cos x into 1 upon 2 into 1 upon root t. Value of t, sin x. Here is a complete differentiation. Now we multiplying cos x 2 root sin x. This is sin x. Okay. Now here is answer. Sec tan root x. Okay. This is question. Sec x. Here we write then sec theta. So this is value of theta. This is value of theta. Now we see here this is also tan root x. This is also theta. So first we differentiate this, then we differentiate complete. Here 3 times we differentiate tan root x. Suppose that t. Now we know that I don't know root x. Tan root x differentiation. We know only root tan x. So now let root x equal to, here u t, we use u. Okay. Now we differentiate. When we differentiate here, and this is a u upon. Everybody understood why we take here minus? When we differentiate, we take here half here we find the value dx. Every student understood what we take here? If any have any doubt, ask. Questions are given y equal to sec tan theta root theta. So I take, suppose that tan this. In front of this, here is a this u. So we take, now we differentiate here and this differentiate here. Let's see. I explain again. There are a function. This is given. If we use sec root tan root x, this type question. So we final dy upon dx. Here is dx. But there are the tan root x. So I suppose that next further what? Let tan root x equal to t. If you know what we have, suppose that t, u, anything, then you solve questions. Here we solve tan root x now we can't differentiate this root x. So next process are here. Let root x equal to. Okay. Here we use dt. If dx are cancelled, so we find out the value of dt. So we differentiate here respect to t. We differentiate to 1 by 1. So root x. Okay. Now I explain only alternate method. What we alternate method? Alternate method are here. We know that differentiation of sec x equal to sec x. This is x and then x. This is x. Now we differentiation. Okay. First step we differentiate here. Now sec x into tan x. Now we differentiate here. So we know that tan x differentiation sec square x. Tan x differentiation sec square x. But we supported here root x. Okay. So now we differentiate root x. Here is when we differentiation are okay. 1, 2, 3. There we differentiate one by one. Everybody know how we differentiate alternate method because we use this is necessary. Okay. I think everyone understood how we take alternate method. Here our questions are same. Every student do. Then you send questions if you have any problem and solve the question. Sir, हो गया? हो गया.